Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a digital multimeter to do a simple test on your computer power pack. This is your digital multimeter. For you to make use of this multimeter to do a simple test on this computer power pack, now I have the red probe that goes in here. Why the black probe, look at it, goes in here. So once you have inserted the probes, you turn on the multimeter. After you get it turned on, since we are doing a simple test on our computer power pack, you turn the knob to, look at it closely, you turn the knob to volt DC. Look at the sign, volt DC. So you turn the knob to, put it here into 200 volt DC. Since we are testing for this power pack, we want to know the output volt DC in DC. So I've gotten the multimeter set to test for the output voltage in this power pack. Note we are testing for DC. This is the output. Here will be the output. For us to do that, you get this plug it here. Then you are going to plug this to your electricity mains. So it's time for us to get this tested. Now, my multimeter is all set. If you can watch closely, you see that this thing is prompting, showing us DC sign here. It's showing us DC sign. That is, it is well set for this test. So remember, you get your probe ready. Then you put the black probe inside. Then you use the red probe to touch the body. See, it's giving us a perfect accurate reading. This is 20, the output is 20 volt DC. 20 volt DC. You can see it. Can you see what I did? This is how you know if your power pack is supplying the actual current, the actual voltage rather, that you need for your PC. Can you see what I did? So this is yeah, that's a perfect reading. This is 20 volt DC output supply. So it is safe for you to use on your PC. Yeah, so on the adapter, it's rated 19.5, approximately 20 volts. So this is safe for you to use on your PC. Okay. Just a quick reminder, this is what I did. The black probe goes inside, while the red touches the metal surface of the adapter. Then there you have your readings, 20 volt DC output. It is very safe for you to use on your PC. So right now we are going to plug it on our laptop to see if it will be charging. So right here you can see that this thing is charging perfectly. You can see it's charging perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you have learned something in this video, please follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video and like, subscribe for more. Thanks. See you in my next one.